So today we're doing the lift kit, struts, whatever. Yeah, that jack's no longer going to do for a job like this. So went to Harbor Freight to get a few more things like an Allen key, and ended up buying this whole ass kit, which I just realized just now it does not come with jack stands, which is the whole fucking purpose I bought the kit. So I'm pretty fucking pissed about that. That sucks major dick. I'll just use this jack, I guess, to jack up the control arm when I'm trying to fit the fucking lift kit in. Oh well, this sucks. Got my electric gun. I spent like fucking $600 probably in tools the past 2 days. I was 100 plus, this was 100. But yeah, so I'm gonna set up my electric gun, get the wheel off, and show you what I'm gonna do from there. Alright, I got it out. It took me about 45 minutes. I sprayed some undercoating in there. I'm gonna let that tack up dry. I'm not too worried about getting it on my hands. It was a bitch. I had to do it without getting this off because this bent right here when I was taking it off. Sprayed it with the undercoating like I said. Here's the new one. Here's the lift, which goes on it like that. And I gotta take one of these studs off. And that's the old one right there. In 2 days, this has been sitting like this. I didn't even touch the truck yesterday. Gotta hang it up there with the lift kit. This has been a process. I tried getting this out. This bent, so I can't unscrew the bolt, and stripped out, so I'm gonna cut this off with an angle grinder. Mine broke. Mine's broken right there, so I'm gonna go pick one up, return a couple things. AutoZone loaner tools, and then I like how my truck is just wet over here, but I'm doing the rear struts now while I'm waiting on that second sway bar link, and my brother will wake up to drive me to get the angle grinder. So I'm gonna start by putting the front down on there without putting the wheel back. I'm gonna use this jack to jack up the back on the drive shaft and try knock bolt that at once. Alright, so I got it in with the 3-inch lift. I gotta make this quick and end this video, but here's the old strut right here. These would just bounce around on the highway. Couldn't even stay in one lane, but this is gonna be part 1 to the video. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe, follow me on IG. And peace. I can't wait. This heavy duty Monroe.